If you're trying to make money online and nothing is happening, you're making one simple mistake. It's not lack of skills. It's not lack of time. And it's definitely not luck. And in the next 3 minutes, I'll show you exactly what it is and how to fix it. Most people trying to make money online do the same thing. They watch videos for weeks. They save tutorials. They plan, they wait until they feel ready. But nothing happens. Because they think making money online is about learning first. When in reality, money online works differently. It goes to people who offer something, not people who only learn. Even a simple service can work. Video editing, Canva designs, social media captions. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be usable. You can start on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or Facebook Marketplace. Just post a simple offer and start. But here's the part nobody tells you. Your goal is not to make money at first. Even if you get paid $5 or $10, that's not the real win. The real win is this. Someone trusted you enough to pay you. Because once that happens, everything changes. You're no longer trying. You're now in the game. And most beginners stop right before this moment. Now here's how the $1,000 actually happens. Let's say you start small at $10 per job. You get 10 clients gives $100. Then 50 clients gives $500. Then 100 clients gives $1,000. But here's the real strategy. After your first few clients, you increase your price. $10 gives $25 gives $50. Now you don't need hundreds of clients anymore. You need fewer better ones. That's how beginners actually hit their first $1,000 online. So stop waiting. Start offering, start small. Because your first $1,000 online doesn't come from learning more. It comes from starting earlier. And if you want more simple ways to make money online, subscribe to TeachDayTV.